Right, right, chalo.
Music and preserve display
We will
Sri Krishna Kumar is an IS representative.
marching past the saluting base and giving the salute. It is Yadav. Now, Jiribam District has given the salute and is led by Jamadar R.K. Borod. A present civil police contingent. Jiribam Asa health workers is followed by P. Makiwong R. Naga.
A very good morning and warm greeting to you all. Today, on this auspicious and joyous occasion of our Happy Republic Day 2024,
I would extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to all of you who have been gathered here to be part of today's celebration. A very happy Republic Day to one and all. Today, as we know that Republic Day is being celebrated all over the country, ranging from national capital to the capital of all the states, union territories, district headquarters, and many more. Today, let us also remember and recall the supreme sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters and valiant soldiers who showed incomparable courage in pursuit of dream of Swaraj, who laid down their lives first for the cause of winning us independence and then for preserving and strengthening the precious gift of freedom.
State, Sir has also Sanjit Singh, Bridget Youngland, Village Extension Worker.
After the ASA, next we have
Certificate award distribution for the officials, staffs.
Tobiri. Forest Department की मतुंगदा DC Jiribam Jamadar R.K. Borod